Mounting the Steddi bracket on my sports bar. I need it there so I can get this whip underneath my garage door. We tighten up these two. Right, don't over tighten them, it's only aluminium. Now I got it tight enough and just so it wouldn't move. I tested it with this lever just in here. Yeah, that's alright, that's tight enough. The whip's not going to put that much force on it. Alright, there's nuts with spring washers, we just nip them up. So there we go, mounted the antenna. Looks alright, and I'll just nip that up. There we go. So, secured the cable ties, making sure there's no stress on the cable where it enters the antenna. There's a few sharp edges where I'm routing the cable, so I'll put a bit of ducting on the antenna wire. In the rear driver's side floor of the car, there is a plug right there, where I've already routed a wire from the dual battery setup. So that's where the antenna cable's going to. Alright, to bushproof it a little bit, zip tied those two together. Put a big zip tie just here on top of the chassis rail. That's where the wire goes. Hopefully it's bushproof. It'd be better than nothing, that's for sure. So the cable comes out of the floor around here. And it goes under here. I brought it out here under the seat. Around the back of the centre console. And I've mounted the UHF in the passenger footwell. Alright, up under here, you'll see I've got a piggyback fuse. It's in the option fuse. There, in the Triton. And the wire just goes behind the glove box and hangs out and connects to the head unit for the UHF. And I've just mounted the mic holder there. There it is, completed. We'll test her out soon.
This is a test transmission from the Oricom in the shed to the Uniden in the car. Over. This is a test transmission from the Uniden in the car to the Oricom in the shed. Over.
Alright, success. We've got the UHF in the car. Thanks for watching.